What's up, cleanup? Look at my new picture back here. Damn, champions. Those champions don't quit, you know? They keep fighting. It's my inspiration. Check it out. I seen a post from a member in cleanup, and man, he's going through it right now, and I understand because I went through it. Actually, before I had a carpet cleaning business, years ago, I started importing motorcycle fairings overseas to here. And instead of people buying those motorcycle fairings from overseas and having to wait 2 weeks to a month sometimes to get their product, their fairings, I thought, you know what? I'll sell them for the same price, yet I'll ship them from here and then get it in a couple of days, a week, right? So I was doing that, it was going well, selling fairings, business is going good, getting orders, credit card orders. Man, all of a sudden I started getting chargebacks. All of a sudden I get another chargeback. All of a sudden I'm $10,000 in chargebacks because of some setting I didn't do in the banking portal that would help protect from fraudulent cards. So people were buying stuff from me with fraudulent cards. There was absolutely nothing I could do. I had to, call it a loss, right? And after a while, and that's why I'm in the service industry, you guys. So don't jump ship, guys, because the service industry is the best one to go. And you're going to have the less likability of, probability of that happening, right? And that's fact, okay? It just is. But you're always going to have obstacles. This is going to happen. So I jumped ship. I said, no, I don't want to deal with this tangible stuff no more. I don't like it. I don't like this stuff. All right. I need a cushion. All right. And so I went ahead and closed up that. I didn't like that business model anymore. There's just too much, people can complain about fairness, quality, anything, and ask for their money back. And that wasn't a way to live for me. So I closed that. And then later on, I got in the carpet cleaning service industry where, guys, I've been in business full time for 6 years and never had one chargeback on a credit card. I've always said this, guys, when you first start out, everything that you don't want to happen, everything that's going to go wrong is going to happen when you're first starting out. And the more you fight it, the more it's going to keep coming. So this is a tip, guys. If you're getting a chargeback, you should be doing everything legit now, guys. All right, you should be reporting your income. You should be filing taxes. You should have yourself an established business. That way you can take those earnings that you're earning. When you want to buy a house, you want to buy something, you have something that tells the banks how much money you make, all right? You want to start doing this legit. If you haven't went ahead and got your business going and you're doing taxes on it and you're actually paying taxes, and yeah, taxes suck, man, but sure thing is, taxes and death, right? But guys, we make great money in this business. Just be responsible with your money, pay your taxes. And when stuff kind of happens like this, it's a write-off, okay? So if you're in business, you got all your equipment, you got your business built. I mean, a website, you're on Google My Business, you know how to run ads now, you know how to get that phone to ring, you're retaining your customers, all right, that you turn them into clients. So now every year goes by, you're going to have more and more repeat customers, which is a stronger foundation for your business, right? The longer you're in business, the stronger your foundation gets. Nobody can knock it down except for you, okay? So meaning you don't have to advertise as much, So guys, this happens to you. Don't close up shop, guys. It may never happen to you again, or it may happen to you in another year or two. All right. My hand's getting tired over there. So use it as a write-off, learning experience. Now, if you don't want to take credit cards, you don't have to do that. Take cash or check, you know? I've never had a bounce check. I've never had a bounce check. Never had a chargeback in the service industry. Carpet clean. Now, if it does happen, especially on a high ticket, yeah, it's gonna eat me. Guys, it's gonna eat me, but it ain't gonna quit me. I'm not quitting. We're not quitters. You're not a quitter. Listen, I got scammed out of $5,000 last year on a Zelly scam. Talked me right out of my money. $5,000. You know what? How would that affect you right now? I said, you know, it is what it is. You know, I fought it, didn't get my money back, kept pushing, you know, and, you know, it didn't stop me. It didn't stop the train. So don't let these little things stop you guys. It's not something that's going to happen to you every week. All right, you got pieces, you know what, out there, you know, that's their life. They're pathetic people. So what I would do if I was you is definitely, you know, take a break on that credit card if you feel that deeply about it. But I'm going past that spot right now. If you have your business nice and built, you're so far ahead of so many people already. Okay, and if you don't have your business built like I just talked about, then you're not doing things right. You're winging it. Stop winging it. Build that business strong. Build that business for the future, not just for today. All right. You don't be advertising crazy money for the, you know, that's not the right business model. That's why I got my course. You know, if you took my course and you're having these problems, you must have not followed the course. I'm not pushing the course, but man, it's for a reason. So I hate to see people want to chalk it up, man, and go work for somebody. Go work for somebody for $25 an hour when you can make $200 to $300 an hour. Or let's say, people hate when I say that, but I make that every freaking day. Let's say $100 to $200 an hour. Let's just say $100 an hour. So you're gonna go work for somebody for $25 an hour rather than $100 an hour? Doesn't make sense. Okay, keep doing what you're doing. These obstacles are gonna be there, and we need to be strong, because you know what? If it was easy, everybody would do it. That's what makes it so great that you're doing it right now. Keep pushing, man. You know, gotta have that beast ambition. That's my new clothing line, by the way, guys. All right, and it's all about entrepreneurship and being self-made, because self-made is when you have to rely on nobody to dictate your earnings or your lifestyle anymore. It doesn't mean you're a millionaire, self-made. It just means that you're in control of your day. If you want to be a millionaire, you can keep pushing and you can shoot for those things. But when you work for somebody, there's a cap. You can't go nowhere. They're going to pay you what you can pay, and you have to make your lifestyle to that for the rest of your life. And wait till you collect Social Security. No, you don't want to do that. All right, so I urged you just to take a break, go drink some water, have a beer or something, relax. Just $600, ain't nothing. All right, see you in the next one.